All right, here's another video from Limitless Works. This is a fuel pressure sensor, not the switch up on the fuel rail, sensor in the gas tank next to the fuel pump. Okay, this is a 2007 Chevy Tahoe that I'm working on. And a lot of people say you got to disconnect this, that, and third. You don't have to. I just literally did it in 5 minutes. Okay, so as you can see where the flashlight's shining, you got your filler neck hose. Loosen that. That's an 8mm. Okay. You do not need to disconnect that vacuum line to the left or the right of that. Okay. Then what you need to do is take off your 2 strap bolts. There's one here in the back and one here in the front. Okay. They are 15mm bolts. Okay. Then what you do, after you're jacking up the vehicle, put jack stands on your axle, lift up your vehicle. Okay. Then what you're going to do is put a jack right here on the back. The filler, as you can see, the filler neck's right up there. So you're right here in the back of it, right on the rear. Put a 2x4 with another jack and lower it down slowly after you take off those straps. Like put the 2x4 up to it tight, take the straps off. After you take the straps off, it's kind of hard to see because there ain't that much room back here. Okay, there's this metal, like, protector shield, heat shield, I don't know what you want to really call it. Okay, it's right here. You can see it's along here, the straps are. So once you take the straps off, let me see if I can get a better view. That's the metal shield right there. It's going all along, and it has those little teeny clips. See them? You just pry those off. They'll probably break, split in half, whatever, but if you can squeeze them back on, because the straps are also, as you can see here, there's the strap in it. The metal's behind it. So the strap is technically holding it, but for any vibration, you could just put those, either get new ones, put those on, put a big wire tie around the little nipple just to hold it. I like putting things back the way they were, so, you know, not that, you know, the designs are great, but, and there's one there and one there. So you just take that shield off. Once you take that shield off, you can reach over the axle, the drive shaft, sorry. Okay, because see, there's the shield. Let's see, keep the light there. This is the shield I was saying is held on with those little clips. See, and there's the strap. So that's why you need to take that shield off, because this right here is in your way. Okay, so once you do that, right behind it, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, see those 3 emission lines? There's a little clip. Just pop the clip, take the top one out. That way you don't have to disconnect it from the box. Take the top one out. That'll give you enough room to lower it down. And then as you lower it down, you'll be able to reach right behind this shield, right in that section right there, over that drive shaft, and you'll be able to feel the fuel pressure sensor. It's just a little clip, no special clip, nothing like that. Just when you pry it up a little bit, pull it back. And then when you pull the sensor out, it may break the little nipple off. And if it does, no big deal, just push it into the tank. If you want to fight with it to get it out, that's up to you. Totally personal preference. It's not going to hurt nothing in there, obviously, because, you know, the tank has its own filter, basically, and it's not going to suck that little plastic nipple up. And once you push that down in the hole or pull it out, whichever way you want, you just grease up the new one. I like to put a little grease on there, very little bit. Push it back in, put a little dielectric grease on the plug it back in, jack it back up, and put everything back together in reverse. I was going to do it while I was recording, but it's a little hard under there because, as you can see, it's a little tight. So to hold a phone and one-handed. But like I said, if you do it like I said, it pretty much self-explanatory. You know what I mean? Once you start doing it, you'll be like, oh, okay. And basically just put that heat shield back on, then put your straps back on and bolt it back up. And you should be good to go. And if you have a, if you have a 2000 Tahoe, probably to a 14, give or take, and it's flex fuel, this was the part number. AC Ducko 12247409. AC Ducko part. I got it online for like 30 bucks. The dealer wants like 85. So, but yeah, fuel pressure sensor. That easy. Till next time.